What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to share a few updates with you guys. I think there's about 4 or 5 today. So I want to share these results with you because nobody else is sharing results, and I'm all about results. I've said this a million times, I'll say it again. Everybody talks about getting results, but they don't show getting results. Why do they not show them? Because they're not getting them. They brag about what they can do. They brag about money. They brag about G-Wagons that's not theirs. They brag about Harleys that's not theirs. And another thing, my truck ain't paid for, but that's because I'm using my credit. So how can you be teaching credit repair and then wanting everybody to pay everything off? You got to use your credit to build credit. But keep in mind, not everybody understands that. Whoops, that screenshot was not supposed to pop up, but while it's up, let's go ahead and read it. You got guys out here discounting their terrible amateur services, giving discounts because they know their services hold no weight or value. Even after they do that, people still join my program and pay me a premium because they don't want to hire a cheap, low-quality fake credit repair service from some obese bum living in his grandparents' house. So my grandparents built the house. I actually paid for the house, but take that how you want to. Keep in mind, this guy saw your BS content and still paid me $3,000 after you discounted your services. Okay, so why did you cover the text up? And the other thing, this text message is literally only one person talking. So is it you talking to yourself, or is it your client talking to themselves? Just curious. Anyway, sorry I had to throw that in there, guys. This guy's never going to quit. I tried to let it go. My mom was trying to be nice and point some things out. But obviously, somebody that's psychotic and mentally ill, they're not going to see what they're doing wrong. Do I see what I done wrong? Of course I did. I stooped down to his level, and I done some stupid things, and I said some stupid things. That's my fault. I didn't have to stoop down to his level, but unfortunately I did. But again, these results are something that I know y'all want to see and something he can't produce. So would you rather pay a guy $3,000 that only shows results from 5 to 6 years ago? Or would you rather pay a legal monthly fee to get results and me post those results for everybody to see? I'm just curious of how everybody feels about that. If it were me, I would definitely go with the cheaper program that's getting way better results. If he had results, he'd be posting them. He doesn't. I'm going to spend more time making videos. I don't know if y'all have noticed the past few days, I've posted more content than I have before because I'm focusing on my channel, focusing on being positive, showing y'all results that nobody else on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere else can show the results I show. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.